Brought to you by JEGS.
Introducing the Lisle compact and vent cap wrenches for Davco and Paccar. The 3 new compact wrenches for Davco are specially designed for removing and replacing the main filter collars on aftermarket diesel fuel filter systems. The tool has 100% engagement around the ring with a 3/8 square drive design which allows easy access to the fuel filter, especially in tight spaces. The high-strength steel prevents the wrench from flexing while loosening the stubborn filter collars. The new double-ended wrench removes and installs the vent cap on top of the canister. Newer Davco systems include a vent cap that has large lobes and ratchets to prevent over-tightening. The vent cap wrench has 100% engagement on the cap to prevent damage and makes it easier to remove and install the caps. Other Davco wrenches are available from Lisle. The new compact wrench for Paccar is made of all metal, designed to remove and install bowls for newer Paccar chassis mounted fuel filter assemblies. The tool engages 100% around the ring with a 3/8 square drive design allowing easier access to the fuel filter. Other Paccar wrenches are available from Lisle. The Lisle compact and vent cap wrenches for Davco and Paccar.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.